Now let's start. Now we need a granny square. Somewhere here or here I will show you the diagram of this pattern, and if you need it, it will also be attached in the documents below. Right, so let's go. How do we start? I take the yarn, I put it on my palm like this. I need my first 3 fingers. I do this movement, look again, right? And I hold it with my small finger. I take my hook, I insert it under the yarn, I pull the yarn, and I chain 1 like that. That's it. Then I make 1 and 2. So in total I have 3 chains. What do I do next? I need to double crochet. So I cast the yarn on into this ring, I pull the yarn, I make 1 and 2. Now I kind of have 2 double crochets, right? And I need 1 more. One and 2. Here you are, you've got 3 double crochets, because this is chain, double crochet, double crochet. Then I chain 1 and 2 like that, and again into this ring I need 3 more double crochets like that. 1, 2. If you have never done this before with stick yarn, it might be surprising. The feelings are surprising here. 2 and 3. Everything is so big and unusual. Here we are. Now we need chain 1 and 2, and again we need 3 more double crochets. 1, 2 and 3. Okay, I hope you see that. Now we have sets of 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochets. We chain 2, 1 and 2 like that. It almost looks like a square, and we make 3 more double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. Like that. Now you've got this tail here, and you need to pull hard as you can. Okay, here you are. Look, I pulled really hard. Okay, you can pull even more. Here you are. This is it. Okay, and what do you do next? You make 1, okay, and then you find these 3 chains here, 1, 2, 3, and you need to join your row with a single crochet like that. Look what we've got. It's already a small square like that. Good. So this is row number 1, and we proceed with row number 2.